swirling off by Cuba. A big old storm was a-brewing. We got a cooler of cold beer. We got chips, dip, and ice here. So let's have some fun. It's only a Category 1. We'll have a hurricane party. Invite Rita, Wilma, and Marty. Batten down the hatches. Buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries and a flashlight. Make sure the shutters are closed tight. My girlfriend at school said it was a Category 2. We'll need plywood and duct tape. Home Depot's out, it's too late. The traffic was backed up. There was no gas, just bad luck. Then the guy on TV said it was a Category 3. So we'll have a hurricane party. Invite Rita, Wilma, and Marty. Batten down the hatches. Buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries and a flashlight. Make sure the shutters are closed tight. The walls started creaking. The ceiling started leaking. Storm surge was rising. The neighbor's roof went flying. The wind started to roar. It was a Category 4. Hey, let's have a hurricane party. Invite Rita, Wilma, and Marty. Batten down the hatches. Buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries and a flashlight. Just make sure the shutters are closed tight. I crawled into the bathtub. I covered up with a mattress. Crashing thunder, broken glass. The trees are cracking, then the eye went past. I scurried out to take a peek, and all that was left was the kitchen sink. Well, it's a sad story, but it's true. Take a plane to Kansas. Don't be a fool.
Hey, doesn't Kansas have tornadoes?
Well then, we'll have a tornado party. Invite Rita, Wilma, and Marty. Batten down the hatches. Buy canned food, water, and matches. Battery and a flashlight. Make sure the shutters are closed tight.